In this video you will see the Niagara of South India, the largest waterfall in Kerala. This 80 feet high waterfall. It is the Athirappilly Falls located in Kerala. Take a train to Calicutti railway station at ₹45. Takes an hour to reach. Hire an auto to reach bus stand. Regular buses from morning 6 a.m. Frequency of bus every 40 minutes. Travel distance of 30 kilometers to Athirappilly bus stop. Pine trees plantation all the way till the falls. Bus fare between ₹75 to 100 per person. Reaches Athirappilly bus stop in 1 hour. Destination Athirappilly Waterfalls. Enjoy the viewpoint of the fall from the bus stand. Shopping before the entrance. Ticket counter to enter the falls, open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Athirappilly Falls entrance to lead the way, wheelchair access and cloakroom are available. The top viewpoint is a 10 to 15 minute walk from the falls entry. Get to witness this beautiful setup, top view of the falls. The Niagara of South India. Don't miss out on this. Entry till 5 p.m. The bottom of the falls is a 30-minute trek through muddy terrain. Trek down to the base of the falls is a must-do for adventure enthusiasts. Can be slippery during the monsoon. Experience this breathtaking view. Enjoy the beauty of the largest waterfall in Kerala. Stands tall at 81.5 feet. The iconic scene of Shiva Linga lifting in the movie Bahubali was shot here. Bathing in the falls is not allowed. The water flow varies by season, with June to December being the best time to see higher water flow. Enjoy this breathtaking beauty of the nature. It is a must-visit place. For more information, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.